I have watched this long video and will summarize it for you so you can decide if you want to watch it too, with the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. In this interview, Bilyeu spoke with Peter Diamandis and Salim Ismail, authors of Exponential Organizations 2.0, about utilizing artificial intelligence to build successful companies. Diamandis explained how small teams of just 3 people will soon be able to create billion-dollar businesses by leveraging AI. Ismail added that exponential technologies like AI enable faster iteration and automation that empowers these small teams. Diamandis and Ismail discussed how exponential technologies are disrupting traditional business models. Ismail used the example of the music industry shifting from selling albums to subscription streaming services. Diamandis emphasized being agile and quickly adapting to new paradigms, using the analogy of an asteroid hitting Earth and wiping out lumbering dinosaurs while small mammals survived by adapting. Bilyeu raised concerns about potential downsides of rapid AI advancement. Diamandis acknowledged the need to carefully manage increasingly powerful AI systems. However, he remains optimistic that humans mostly use technologies for good, citing research showing a ratio of 8,000, 1 positive to negative uses. The 3 spoke about using psychedelics and other methods to elevate consciousness and dissolve ego barriers. Diamandis shared a profound DMT experience which eliminated any fear of death and conveyed the connectedness of all beings. Ismail sees promise in leveraging AI to overcome human cognitive biases and limitations. Bilyeu emphasized moving beyond ego identification. Shifting back to business applications, Diamandis and Ismail outlined 10 attributes of exponential organizations, including having a massive transformational purpose, leveraging communities and AI, decentralizing decisions, and using social technologies. Ismail provided examples like Valve Software's decentralized management. Discussing organizational mindsets, the pair highlighted cultivating curiosity, abundance thinking, exponential vision, and purpose-driven culture. Ismail explained how introducing small hacks like Google's institutional yes can shift company dynamics from mistrust to trust. Bilyeu emphasized results focus over trusting people. Diamandis and Ismail detailed how to spark innovation and avoid stagnation at larger companies. Strategies include building disruptive teams at the edge of organizations to invent adjacent offerings safe from antibodies attacking unfamiliar ideas. Constant experimentation and decentralizing decisions also help. The conversation explored implications of longevity research. Diamandis sees death from aging as unnecessary and aims to extend healthy lifespan by using AI to analyze biomarkers. He envisions traditional institutions like religion being disrupted by radical life extension. Ismail reiterated the need for humans to evolve mindsets to handle technological change. In closing, Diamandis and Ismail encouraged entrepreneurs to leverage exponential technologies by implementing attributes like MTPs, dashboard metrics, and decentralized teams. Large companies need these strategies to survive. Mindset factors like curiosity most determine ability to capitalize on abundance and possibility. In summary, Diamandis and Ismail provided a compelling vision and pragmatic roadmap for harnessing exponential technologies to build transformative organizations. By adopting exponential attributes and growth mindsets, entrepreneurs can thrive in times of accelerating change. That's all for this summary. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, set the notification, and drop me a comment. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.